Muli na namang nanaig ang husay ng atletang Pilipino matapos makuha ni EJ Obiana ang ginto sa kauna-unahang atletang Ayala World Pole Vault Challenge laban sa mga world-class athlete. Tinapos ni Filipino pole vault star EJ Obiana ang kanyang season sa isang makasaysayang panalo matapos magkampiyon sa kauna-unahang atletang Ayala Pole Vault Challenge noong linggo ng gabi sa Ayala Triangle Gardens, Makati City. Naitala ni Obiana ang 5.80 meters sa ikalawang attempt upang malampasan si Thibaut Colet ng France na nakatawid din sa kaparehong taas, ngunit nagawa ito sa huling attempt lamang. Dahil dito, napabura ng Pilipino sa tiebreaker at itinanghal na kampiyon.
I knew I was leading, I want to extend it. That's why I tried to jump 85. But at the same time, it's been a long season. I'm not in the best shape of my life. I was a little bit tired going the end of the competition. I did a little bit of a veteran's move. Maybe not so appreciated by my friend Thibaut. So I said, last attempt I need more time. And in the order, he's ahead. So therefore, if I pass, he'll jump first and I'll take a little bit more. So I kind of did that. I'd say it kind of worked. I think I tired him out and made it happen. Like really, all these guys are giving everything that we've got, and I myself, like I would say right now, I'm really exhausted and feel a bit lightheaded. But it's all well and good, and I'm really happy to do it.
Ang 29-year-old Filipino pride ay muling nakapagtala ng kanyang season best na 5.80 meters na kanya ring naabot sa ilang international competition ngayong taon, gaya ng Orlen Copernicus Cup noong Pebrero, Patafa Philippine Pole Vault Challenge noong Mayo at Meeting Madrid noong Hulyo. Naging kapanapanabik ang laban ng piliin ni Colet na lumundag diretso sa 5.90 meters matapos mabigo si Obiana sa dalawang attempt ng 5.85. Subalit hindi rin nagtagumpay ang Pilipino sa kanyang isang attempt sa 5.90 meters. Kinailangan ni Colet na malampasan ng 5.90 meters upang agawin ang corona. Ngunit nabigo ito sa tatlong attempt kaya tuluyan ang nakuha ni Obiana ang gintong tagumpay. At dahil ang World Pole Vault Challenge ay sanction ng World Athletics, mayroon itong epekto sa world ranking ng mga lumahok na atleta. At ayon kay EJ, inaasahang mag-reflect ito sa ranking ngayong linggo.
I think for me, yes, because this is the best jump I've had this season. I've not jumped 80 in any competition this year. So this is the highest level of tour that I've jumped 580, so I believe it will be there and it helped. It's just going to be in the World Athletics, it's all categorized, but the way the ranking works is the best 5 performance of the year. As I said, these guys have been having great magnificent season, so I'm not sure if it's we don't know. We'll know in next week, Tuesday, probably Wednesday, something like that.
Ang panalong ito ang nagtatapos sa isang roller coaster na taon para kay Obiana na bumaba sa world number 7 at nabigong makaabot sa finals ng World Championships matapos makapag-uwi ng medalya sa nakaraang dalawang edisyon. Samantala, inamin din ni EJ na nakaramdam ito ng pressure sa kanyang muling paglalaro sa home crowd.
But I enjoyed really the pressure that he brought, and I think, as I said, really this is the best vault I've had in this year, so I'm happy for the pressure that the crowd brought, and thankful that I'm able to pull it off, and thankful a little bit to Thibaut for not making 90, so all is good and all is well.
Mula rito sa Ayala Triangle Gardens, para sa MBC TV Network News, ito si Mili Borja ng DZRH TV, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.